Natin. Gar. Pro tip guys, dapat lagi kapag may ano kayo, ganito kayo, no seasoning. Not sponsored. Pero don't worry, baka naman. Lagyan nyo lang ng konti. Hindi sobrang dami ha, konti lang. Then, halo. Then, after that, you put your egg at top para perfect. So, let's get our egg. Pawis! Syempre, mainit. So, our egg right here. We get that. And we put it right there. Perfect! Mukbang vlog! What up? Good afternoon to every one of y'all. It's already snack time, so kakain tayo ng pancit canton na may itlog. Where is it? Malusaw-lusaw na itlog, na crispy yung gilid. At ang pancit canton natin. Correct! Alright, let's start. First bite with you. Up.